Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
We're tidying our putunga hangarua. Everyone is helping me sort all the paper we've collected.
You're doing a wonderful job.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Kiwi has a problem with his whare house. Will you help him?
Of course, Pāpā Rākau.
Then come visit me. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai. Let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What adventure do you have planned today?
Kiwi has a problem with his whare house.
What's the problem?
We don't know. Pāpā Rākau will tell us.
When you're there, keep an eye out for Pepa, paper.
Aye, Kōkā.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kiwi can't get into his whare house.
Oh, that's terrible, Pāpā Rākau. What can we do to help him?
Kiwi will tell you. He's waiting for you in the ngahere forest.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
We should watch out for Pepa, paper.
Do you know how paper is made?
How?
Let's take a look. Paper is made from anything that has fibre, including trees, rākau, bamboo, old clothing, even plants. They are mashed into pulp. Liquid dissolves the pulp and flat sheets of paper are created. It's so easy, you can make paper by hand.
Ooh! Whoa! Out of the
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect Pepa, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakatiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mātuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, tai ki e.
Watch out for Kiwi poo.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere. Forest.
Yay! Ina, look! I can see a clearing.
Can you see Kiwi?
Yes, he's standing on a roku log.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kiwi. Pāpā Rākau said you have a problem.
I have a big problem, all.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Huh? E, pa, a, pe, pa, Pepa.
Pepa is the word of the day.
But how does that help us?
Follow me. My home is under this roku log.
It's covered in pepper. Let's remove the pepper of Kiwi's whare house.
Thank you, Tākaro Tribe. Now I'll show you where this rapihi, rubbish, comes from. Follow me.
Is this where all the pepper comes from?
When there's a lot of wind, the pepper is blown from here all over my whare.
Let's fix all this so Kiwi won't have any more running problems.
You are the best, Tākaro Tribe.
Yay! We have to go home now. Bye, Kiwi.
Thank you for your help. Safe travels home, Tākaro Tribe.
Oh, our hands are paru-paru. Dirty. Let's wash them. Te wai wai o konu
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
It was fun helping Kiwi.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Pepa! 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 Pepa!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You flew with Pooh into the forest, ngahere, to Kiwi. He asked you to help him remove rāpihi off his house, whare. Then you found where the rāpihi was coming from and tidied that up by putting it into an ipu hangarua, recycling bin. And you learned a new word, pe, e, pe, a, pe, pa, pepa. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro e pai ai